So cute.
Hi, Andrew.
I'm the new kid in town.
What do you need? What do you like?
Did you get her?
I saw one on chart.
Go over there and get her. Video her.
My mom.
Oh, okay.
How you doing there, partner?
Good?
Good.
Oh, man.
You got a cool little swagger going on there. And a belly full of beer, rum, whiskey.
Hold on at the table. Your foot's completely... Okay. She's going to break her ankle here. Wait, you're stuck on my foot.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Good job. Can I have it back now? No? Please? Good dance. Uh-oh.
Off?
Alright. Grab a hold. Wow, she's got good balance too.
She does.